exposure tools, I can absolutely support using S1R2 for a lot of that high-end work. But as far as photography goes, again, a very powerful camera. I do feel like people will appreciate the extra DR that you can get from using a stack sensor. This is going to give a slight advantage over cameras like the R5 Mark II and the Nikon Z8. There's a lot of people where that's more important than having fast electronics. Actually, I'm really second camera started because I'll maintain a 14-bit DR. I think it's fantastic for most shooting situations, but I literally use this for like high-end sports. When you do the extra shooting again, you are going to lose things like DR, when we try to do the camera, not moving the camera too fast. But I really think it's going to have a lot of strength as a landscape camera, studio camera, as an art camera, or street photography camera. And so I think that it's absolutely a market to have a camera like this that gives you the high resolution, doesn't have a stack sensor, but also keeps the cost significantly down from cameras like the R5 Mark II and the Nikon Z8. No matter how you look at it, the S1R Mark II is a very well-rounded camera. We've talked in the podcast before about what L-mount cameras need to do to really take over, specifically what we're going to see from Panasonic. And I think the S1R Mark II is a great step in the right direction. This is a hybrid camera, but I think photographer will get a lot of value and a lot of joy out of using a camera like this. So hopefully you guys enjoy this and help you decide if that S1R II is something that you would find interesting. It is a very powerful camera overall, so please leave your comments below and let us know what you think about this new product from Panasonic. And we were talking about it on the podcast, so you should definitely subscribe to that. You can listen to it on all your favorite podcast apps, or you can watch it on this exact same channel as well. Think about PanPixel.com membership, $3 a month, $30 a year.
To the PanPixel podcast, I hope. I'm talking the thesis actually all is time for like kind of really high quality. You can put on photography bag backpack. So we can pre-jack later. 1-7. Going down. That's my first point. That's it. You open up the video. Check out your normally asks a question. You want to do this? Yeah, no, I can do it right in the middle of this system roadmap. Okay, but I want to ask you guys from the time you've been to Japan, what so far is your favorite vending machine coffee? Oh, Lost Rainbow. Lost Rainbow or Cold? That's tough because when we got that Lost Rainbow over when we were like China hunting, yeah, that was a very like warm morning, like a cold Lost Rainbow. That was hot here when it was like very cold. So the Lost of the sweeter ones is definitely the one that I like because most of them are so grossly sweet. It's like it's triple triple. It's a nightmare. So yeah, the sweeter ones I like the Lost Rainbow. I did have Holland with comes in. Crazy. But no, what was the black coffee that I got? Yeah, I got a different one for you guys. What was that Georgia coffee? Yeah, it tasted like real, like not like extreme coffee, but like a real coffee. It was in Canada. I thought it was wonderful. But it's hard for me to be objective when I'm doing these things because I'm usually either exhausted or like I'm whatever. I usually get comfortable and probably home with a pile of 20 coffees from Japan, and now I'm objective. I like. It is rainbow. I'm not a fancy rainbow because I don't watch sweet coffee. I like black. I had the craft, which is something else. Yeah, it was nice, but I still like a good, basic, cold Bolshevik. I love it. Fantastic. There's so many coffees here. Vending machine for convenient names. So we all agree, and the end is just us. Orange sidebar. Holy crap, that's actually. That's sugar. Japanese food has so much sugar. We're not big on tea. Yeah, I haven't really tried anything. 70 March tea was fine. I can outstand it. Yes. Suntory on the Suntory one. Yeah. So anyway, okay, so back to former belief buses. So I'll put it up on the screen. You should be able to see the roadmap of you listening. But this is one of the white lenses. So, of which there's only 2, I believe. Yeah, right. 5400, of course, the lenses. Very important. Yeah. So this looks like a little bit more compact. This is underneath that one as far as. It's like a 100, 300, or like a. It looks like it's pretty mature. Right on here. Nice. So I can all zoom. Oh, you're saying like around the yeah, on full chart. Okay. 40 to 42. Oh, that's you. That's a good idea. Yeah, 40 to 42. Yeah, I mean, it's very close to the 4150, which is a very well established line. So, I don't get super fast aperture on this sucker, like a 40 to 200 f2. It's hard. That was interesting. Yeah. I assume you're not trying to appropriate my culture really. That's a little. That was a big question mark. That was multiple question marks, not a sign. I don't think that you have to. Okay, cultural. I think it'll be updated 40 or 50 to 200 2.8. That's my guess. Just a little bit more reach in the 4150s. They would kind of split attention to lenses that are currently available. Yeah, I just feel like if it's a 2.8, I mean, that's not a whole new lens for 50 millimeters. Well, how many millimeters equivalent? Or is that a built-in color converter? I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, exciting. That's really updating on the roadmap, but yeah, interesting. Actually, I'm always thrilled to see new developments for an open system. Yeah, otherwise, so